Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to troubleshoot your engine when you try to start the car and it just clicks like that. There is 3 issues you might have. First of all is the battery. So check the connections on the battery, and if you see if it's oxidized, like around on this bracket, if it's oxidized, so you might wanna take it out, clean it, put it back. But usually when the problem is with the battery, you're gonna have sounds like this. So in my case, I have only one click. That means it's not the battery. So we need to troubleshoot the engine because it might be locked up. And the second issue, it might be a starter. Let's start with the troubleshoot of an engine. For that, you need to determine where is your serpentine belt or drive belt is located. In my case, it's from the left side of the engine. There's two way, or you take out your front wheel, or you're just gonna turn it all the way to the right and try to reach crankshaft bolt. I'm a little bit of a lazy person, so I'm gonna use these tools to reach my crankshaft bolt, and for that I need to take only this clip and one more bolt on the top. Here's our crankshaft bolt. We need to turn it clockwise at least on 30 degrees, and if it's gonna spin freely, that means the engine is good and it's not locked up. All the tools I'm gonna use, I'm gonna list in the description below this video so you can buy it for yourself. You might wanna use a special tool, but I'm gonna use just adjustable wrench, and I'm gonna try to turn my engine. Yeah, it spins. If it spins, that means the engine is good, and the only thing left is a starter. Don't try to turn the crankshaft bolt counterclockwise, because in this case you're gonna unscrew the crankshaft. This is my starter, and I'm gonna try to start the engine one more time, and I'm gonna take a look how it's gonna be reacting on this move. In that case, that's the problem. So remember, if you try to start your car and you got a click, only one click, so most likely it's gonna be or locked up engine or the starter which is failed. Or if you have multiple clicks, that means you got a problem with the battery and you're gonna need to check those connections. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, share it and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.